Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Jotform to HubSpot. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Jotform account. Navigate to the form you want to connect to HubSpot. Click on the Settings tab located at the top of the form builder. In the Settings menu, select Integrations from the left sidebar. In the Integrations search bar, type HubSpot and select the HubSpot integration from the list. Click the Authenticate button to connect your HubSpot account. A new window will open, prompting you to log into your HubSpot account. Enter your HubSpot credentials and grant Jotform permission to access your account. Once authenticated, you will return to the Jotform Integrations panel. Next, specify how you want the form submission data to be added to HubSpot. Choose the HubSpot fields that correspond to your Jotform fields. Map each Jotform field to the appropriate HubSpot field. Once you have completed the mapping, click the Save button. After saving, return to the main form builder. To test the integration, fill out the form and submit it. Now, log into your HubSpot account to verify that the form submission appears correctly. To ensure everything works smoothly, check that all data has been transferred accurately. You have successfully connected Jotform to HubSpot and can start collecting leads. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.